In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags and categories within a blog on Squarespace 7.0. To get started, log into your Squarespace 7.0 site and look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you will find the main navigation for managing your website content. Click on Pages. This will open the list of all the pages and collections on your site, including your blog. Next, find and select your blog section. If you have more than one content area, make sure you choose the correct blog collection where the post is located. Once you are inside the blog section, locate the post you want to organize. You will need to hover over the blog post and the overview area so the available management options appear. When those options are visible, click Settings. This opens the editing panel for that specific blog content. From there, navigate to the Options area where you can manage details related to the post. This is the section that lets you organize your content so it is easier for visitors to browse and easier for you to manage later. Now click on Tags. In this field, type the keyword you want to use as a tag for the post, then press Enter on your keyboard. Pressing Enter is important because it confirms the tag and adds it properly. Tags are useful for grouping posts by specific topics, themes, or keywords. This can help with site organization and can also improve the way readers discover related content across your blog. If you are adding more than one tag, make sure each one is entered and confirmed before moving on. Keep your tags relevant and consistent so your blog stays clean and easy to navigate. Clear tagging makes a big difference as your content library grows. Once you are done, go to the bottom right corner of the panel and click Save. This applies your changes and updates the post with the tag you entered. Saving is the final step, so be sure not to leave the panel before doing that, or your changes may not be kept. That is the full process for using tags within a blog post in Squarespace 7.0. Follow these same steps whenever you want to organize another post. That covers everything you need to know